question is whether it is acceptable practice to use the shield of a twisted pair as a ground conductor for a 120 volts AC device. Generally, the answer is no. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific requirements for grounding electrical systems. According to Article 250.118 of the NEC, the shield of a twisted pair cable is not permitted to be used as a ground conductor for a 120 volts AC device. Here are the reasons. Firstly, safety hazard. Using the shield as a ground conductor can create a shock hazard if the shield becomes energized due to a fault. Secondly, interference with data transmission. The ground current flowing through the shield can interfere with the data transmission on the twisted pair. Thirdly, incorrect grounding path. The shield is not a reliable grounding path as it may not be properly connected or maintained. The proper method to ground a 120 volts AC device is to use a separate insulated ground wire connected to a grounded busbar or electrode. There are two exceptions to the general rule where the shield of a twisted pair can be used as a ground conductor. Firstly, intrinsically safe circuits. In intrinsically safe circuits, the shield can be used as a ground conductor if it meets specific requirements, for example, UL 508. Secondly, limited power circuits. In limited power circuits, for example, Class 2 or Class 3, the shield can be used as a ground conductor if it is properly sized to meet the current requirements. The type of shield, braided or foil, does not affect the acceptability of using it as a ground conductor. In both cases, it is not permitted according to the NEC. In conclusion, it is not acceptable practice to use the shield of a twisted pair as a ground conductor for a 120 volts AC proximity switch or any other 120 volts AC device, except in the specific exceptions outlined in the NEC.